Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this awesome Ironman pull-apart cake. Yes, it's easy to pull apart because it's made of banana cupcakes set in a shape like so. Then we get some red buttercream and pop it in a piping bag. Let's do the same with yellow buttercream. Start by piping the red buttercream all over the top of your cupcakes. Then simply smooth it out. There. Using a cocktail stick, create some markings for the facial features and borders. This way, we know where to pipe the yellow buttercream icing. And here we go. Carefully piping it over the red and smoothing it out to create the face. We've left 2 holes for the eyes, and we're going to pop some white buttercream in there. Just tidy it up a bit. Make a few deeper indents just to finish it off. And there you have it, a fantastic Ironman pull-apart cake! Yum!